Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phone and subject. Clean the lens and steady your body. Turn macro control on in settings if your iPhone offers it, because that lets you choose when the phone switches to close focus. Next, switch to the ultra-wide or camera mode that best focuses close. Hold the phone 1 to 3 centimeters from the subject and tap to lock focus. Once done, use gentle breath control to avoid moving the frame while you take the first test exposures. Once you have a working close focus, optimize lighting and stability. Use diffused natural light or a small LED panel with a diffuser so you preserve texture without harsh highlights. Avoid direct flash because it flattens details. Make small taps to set precise focus, then lock exposure and focus so the phone won't hunt. This keeps your subject crisp. Also stabilize, mount the phone, rest on a beanbag, or use the 2-second timer to reduce shake. These steps let you capture fine detail consistently. To finish strong, bracket exposures and take multiple shots with small framing shifts so you can pick the best detail. Once you choose a frame, edit for clarity. Crop for composition, apply modest sharpening and reduce noise while preserving texture. If images are soft, troubleshoot. Make sure you're at the correct focus distance, eliminate any movement from you or the subject, and increase ISO slightly only if you must. If focus still fails, toggle macro control off and on, then reassign focus manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.